Time to load up the 350 and get it rebuilt and put back in the car. Got the cherry picker all set. Gonna back the truck up, gonna load it up and have the engine rebuilt, and hopefully it'll be back within a month or so and I'll do another video. I decided to go with the strap. The strap seems like it'll hold it, so just for extra security I added the chain on it to just to support it just in case if the strap broke, which those straps are really strong, so I really wasn't too worried about the straps breaking. Just peace of mind to have the chain on so it doesn't break. So as here, I'm actually disconnecting the motor from the engine stand, and it's been, gosh, at least about a year since I put it on the stand. And going to get the motor bored out. It spun a rod, of course. New pistons, new crank, new cam. Right there, it almost fell. You know, new cam and all that, new heads. And going to make it run again, hopefully. If the block is all good to go, then it'll be a good thing. If it's not, then I'll have to outsource another block or possibly do the LS swap. Don't want to do the LS swap because of the fact it's really, really expensive, and I don't have the means of hooking it up. So let's get it jacked up and put in the truck. It did take me a few times to back the truck up underneath the engine. I was kind of by myself. This is better when you're working with two people. I do have a pallet inside the truck, so I had to keep jockeying around. And as you see, it's with the driveway, it's kind of on a slant, so it's a little tough to maneuver it around. But I finally get it, and it comes out to working very well.